Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained channel. In this session, I am going to explain the working of pneumatic chain hoist. The chain hoist is a common name, all we know that, which is used for the lifting of the load. The chain hoist or a link chain hoist, which can be operated by the electrical motor or it can be operated hydraulically or it can be operated pneumatically. And here I am going to explain the pneumatic operated chain hoist. The pneumatic operated chain hoist is an advantageous. We have the simple system and a less cost system which can be used in the industry and for that particular application. And what are the it parts it consists and how that operate I will explain in the next slide. Here we can see that this is the pneumatic chain hoist and here the linked chain is used which can be moved upward and downward. Okay, that in the both the direction that can move. And for that operations, there are two lines of the air supply is connected to the pneumatic actuator, which is a pneumatic motor producing a rotary operation. On that, the here the field sprocket, and on that the chain will operate. And depending upon the lifting or a lowering of the load, the air supply can be controlled by using the flow control valve. The another supply of the this air is connected to this one for the horizontal traverse of the load. Okay, this supply is used for the not only the lifting and lowering of the load that can be transferred from one place to the another place, and that is an advantage of this pneumatic operation of the chain hoist. And how that operates, we can see here with its operation. Here the chain is lowering by supply of the air in one line direction and the chain also will be lifted and at any position that can be locked also. The pneumatic, this is the motor, okay, that will be operates and these two lines, okay, these are controlled by the direction control valve. We can see here the directions where the air supply we are going to supply the air, which is by that the operation will be carried out. The further the how the operation will be carried out and the explanation about it I am going to take in the next slide. Provisions can be made to control the operation of the pneumatic actuators that drive the loads. Thus, pneumatic systems can be used effectively in applications where low pressures can be used because the loads to be driven do not require the large forces. Pneumatically powered link chain hoist is one of the pneumatic applications. In this example, that has a 4400 lb capacity is used to explain. The hoist motor receives air at a pressure of 90 psi and flow rates up to 70 cubic feet per minute. Loads can be lifted and lowered at variable speeds up to a maximum of 12 to 20 feet per minute respectively. The variation that can be 20 to 12 to 24 feet per minute, the variation in the speed. The power trolley traverse along the length of the support beam. That will be traverse along the length of the support beam also at a speed of 70 feet per minute. And this is a fixed speed. Like this, by the variation in the speed upward and downward as well as the traverse, okay, that can be used for the lifting of the load and the transfer of the load from the one location to the another location in the industrial applications. Such there are different pneumatic applications are there and different applications I will take in the further sessions. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe Engineering Explained channel, share and comment. Thanks once again.